Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question which will be very simple to anyone but little bit tricky. So if you have already solved this question, go and comment your answer. I will give them heart. Okay. And for those who don't understand this math question, I will solve them for step by step. So here we can see according to PEMDAS, we will follow the PEMDAS. Okay, parenthesis exponential multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay, first we will solve this parenthesis part. We will write question like this: 13 minus 5, 13 minus 5, which will be 8. Okay, 8. Now the next step, as we know, multiplication will be given to higher priority. So 13 minus 8 times 5, which will be 40. Now we will simply subtract this 14 minus 13, that is 7, so 27. But here negative sign majorly, so answer will be minus 27. So this expression have the answer minus 27. And if you like this question, go and subscribe our channel for more videos like this and keep watching. Check out our best math books in the description.